great. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to present to you two recipes. The first is watermelon rapture and the second is oats galette. Coming to the first recipe, watermelon rapture, this is the best coolant I've come across and this is my own recipe. I hope this does bring great taste to your palate as it is brought to mine. This coolant is so good during hot summers like the one we are having now in India that it instantly calms your body and mind and makes you feel refreshed. It's good to maintain your normal body temperature and aids you in getting prone to any kind of heat related issues. Apart from cooling your body down, this enriches you with a boost of vitamins and minerals available in a bounty of fruits that we've used, and not to forget the holy ginger and mint extracts. And the second recipe, which is the oats galette, is the most nutritious one as it's devoid of refined flour of any kind, artificial sweeteners, sugars, and processed butter. So let's dive into the recipe right away. So to begin with the ingredients, we would first require some orange extract. This is freshly made orange extract. You have to just de-seed the oranges and you have to grind it into a fine paste. Then we would require some mint extract. So this is freshly made mint extract and you have to strain this in order to not make the concoction coarse. You would require some amount of honey according to your taste. You would require some freshly grated ginger. You would require kokum powder or kokum extract. If you have kokum powder, you can dissolve it in some amount of water and you can make a kokum extract like this. I had the liquid ready made with me, so I'd use the liquid as it is. Then I would require some musk melon, some soaked chia seeds. I have used this chia seed. This is called Fields of Gold organic chia seeds. This I've got from a local departmental store near me just before the lockdown began. And then finally we would require some mango extract. And like add-ons, you can use some pepper and some chaat masala. And our base ingredient is watermelon extract. I've strained this as well, and you would require a small slice of lemon. So let's begin the recipe. I'm going to add the watermelon extract into the jar. I'm going to add the mint extract, the kokum extract, the mango extract, orange, and musk melon. Ginger, and a spoon of honey. So this is how the mixture would look like after grinding all the ingredients. So this is ready and we're going to put it into our coolant glasses. I'm going to top this up with some soaked chia seeds. Some lemon juice. Some ice. So our rapture is ready to relish. I hope you all try the same recipe and let me know in the comment section how did the recipe turn out for you. Guys, I forgot to add some chaat masala and pepper powder that I'd shown to you in the beginning. So let's add a little bit of chaat masala. And a little bit of pepper. And we are done. So let's begin with the second recipe for today. I'm going to make oats galette. So let's just check out the ingredients that we would require to make oats galette. So we begin with some ground oats powder, then some melted chocolate or chocolate ganache. Then we would require some honey, some ground paste of banana and chocolate, some butter and some milk. So let's dive into the recipe. We first add a bowl full of oats powder. To this we're going to add our banana chocolate paste. To this mixture we're going to add some melted chocolate. So you can use chocolate of your choice, but make sure you're not using dark chocolate because this could turn the recipe bitter. And if you prefer bitter taste, then you can very well go with it because dark chocolate is very healthy. You then add a spoonful of honey, not too much, and you mix everything well. At this point you can add some milk. Make sure you're not making the mixture too runny. It should be in the right concentration. And keep mixing it really well so that it is in the batter-like consistency but not as runny as how a normal batter would be that we use to make idli or dosa. Some more milk. So a healthier version of oats ganache. There's an unhealthy version as well where you can use a lot of sugar and butter, but I've avoided all of that so that I can present to you guys a healthy version of this. So as I told you, I have not used any butter in our batter. I will be using butter only to grease the pan so that our galette comes out really well. So to the preheated pan, I'm going to add some butter. I'm going to grease the pan with this butter. Make sure the flame is not too high. The flame should be medium so that you don't burn your mixture. And we're going to make our banana oats galette. And we'll let it cook. You can also cover the pan with the lid so that the cooking process is reduced or the cooking time is reduced. But I prefer to keep this open just to know what is the right time for me to flip this over. So our galettes are ready. I'm going to garnish this with the chocolate ganache that I made. And some honey on the top. With this, I'm going to present to you the watermelon rapture. So you guys also try these recipes and let me know how they've turned out for you. And please leave your comments in the comment box, and I'll be awaiting to see you in the next video. Bye.